I'm back with another video, and today, guys, we got camera supplies. And today, guys, I'm gonna be opening it with you. We got all this stuff. Let's get into it. So first off, we're gonna start off with littlest to biggest, or medium. So we got this like little mic where you put it in your like iPhone right there, and you just talk right here. You don't really have to talk in it. You just have to make sure like you can like turn it. You just have to talk like this in it. And this is like a camera case. This part, I think you talk in it like. Okay, guys. So this is like I had it upside down. Like you talk in this when you're like holding it, and it goes to your mouth. And then we got this thing. Okay, guys, so like I was saying, it like goes like this. Okay, this is too hard to like talk. Okay, now let's move on to this. Which one should I do first? Which one? Comment down below. This one. Okay, let's open it. I need scissors. Wait, I think I can just okay, guys. My sister helped me open it. First part is this little thing. It's from here. It shows this little thing. Just open it after. Where's the other one? Here it is. Okay, guys, let's start putting stuff together. Pixel girl. Oh, I found it. Huh? So I'm thinking it's going right here.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys, I did it off camera, but we got it, and it just goes like this. I think it just hook your phone there or whatever. But it's hard to push down, so like, yeah, got that open. Let's open the GoPro camera. Let's start ripping. Oh, that was easy. Ooh. I'm not gonna shake it because it's a real camera in this. Whoa, this comes with an Android charger, this little block thing, a little thing. Did this come off? Yeah, it's like a sticky thing. Screws, like I don't know what, like a carving. Look at it, you guys. This cost $100. Let's try to take this off so I can like show y'all. Oh my god. Thank you, Mom. Let's try to put the case on. Wait, first let's take this off. Oh my god. I think that was a screen protector. I don't know. This is so cool, you guys. Comment down below if y'all ever had one of these. It's another one. It's on I'm so thankful, you guys. Let's go. Let's try to put, let's try to put this on. How do you do it? Okay, guys, so I'm gonna have to like, it's taking too much stuff of this, like, so I'm gonna have to like do it off camera or whatever. But the number one rule, clean up after yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put everything to the side, and I'm gonna clean up. So come with me. So I'm gonna go like spots. Okay, guys, so I had to switch to my little tablet because the phone was there, but that's the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll get y'all post every time I post my videos. Bye.